Unlock your iPhone and locate the Settings app on your home screen. It looks like a gear icon. If you're already signed in with an Apple ID, you'll see your name at the top of the Settings page. If not, scroll down and tap on Sign In to your iPhone, or Sign In. If you don't have an Apple ID, you can tap on Don't Have an Apple ID or Forgot It, and then tap on Create Apple ID. Select your country or region from the list provided. You'll need to provide your first and last name, as well as your email address. This email address will be associated with your Apple ID. You can also choose to get updates and news from Apple. Create a secure password for your Apple ID. It should be at least 8 characters long and contain a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters for better security. If you prefer not to add payment information right away, you can select the None option. Read the terms and conditions and privacy policy, then tap Agree to continue. Apple will send a verification code to the email address you provided. Check your email and enter the code on your iPhone to verify your email. For added security, you can set up two-factor authentication, which provides an extra layer of protection for your Apple ID. You'll receive a verification code on your trusted device or phone number whenever you sign in. You can choose to set up iCloud, which allows you to sync your data across devices, including photos, contacts, and more. You can also select what data you want to back up to iCloud. You can enable the Find My feature to locate your device if it's lost or stolen. Once you've completed all the steps, your Apple ID will be created. You can now start using it to download apps, make purchases, and more on your iPhone. That's it. You've successfully created an Apple ID on your iPhone. Make sure to keep your Apple ID credentials secure and use a strong password to protect your account.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.